I need you to understand the best way to get reach on social media and make a lot of money is by creating viral content. By switching from your plain, boring, mundane content to content that potentially can go viral is going to make you a huge amount of money with OnlyFans. Now, you're probably wondering how to go viral, or maybe even why you should be listening to me. So what I'm going to do on screen, I'm going to insert a video of one of the new creators we've been working with for 1 month and how we're generating her 250 subs per week with the content we're helping her create. That's 250 paid subscribers per week, over 1,000 paid subscribers per month. Now, what could that do for you? How's that going to make your life change with the money it's generating? Now you understand that I've helped creators go viral, I want to explain the 2 platforms that are going to help you go viral the easiest. These being TikTok and IG, specifically short form content and short form videos like IG Reels. Now, why do these platforms want you to go viral so easy? It comes down to the basics. They want your attention longer on the platform. They want viewers on their platform for longer. Now, having viral content and good content is going to keep people engaged. They've got a little battle going on between IG and TikTok. So IG are saying, how can we get all the attention from TikTok over to IG? And TikTok are doing the exact same. How can we get all the viewers from IG to TikTok? What does this do for them? The longer someone's on their platform, the more money they make because you're going to be seeing their ads more. So this is why it's so important to create viral content, because with these, they're going to push you further and further. So it might be easy if I just explain what viral content is first for those that don't understand. Viral content is simply a piece of content that gets a lot of views in a short period of time. Normally this is over 50,000 views. I like to say actually 200,000 views as the minimum. Really minimum in my eyes is 100,000 views in a short period of time. Now, how can your content go viral? There's a few things that you need to keep in mind that's going to help you go viral. So the first thing you need to keep in mind is being in a niche. Now, what is a niche? A niche is a subsect of the market. Now, why is this beneficial? Because it creates branding for you. I can name a few niches that might help you out that you've already seen on these platforms. Office girls, HR girls, elevator girls, e-girls, cosplayers, even latex girls. These are just a few. I can name a lot more. If you want help with getting in a certain niche that you would enjoy, message me on IG or Telegram. I can help with it as well. So it's at ArdenBliss1 if you did need a little bit of help. Now, what this is really going to be doing is creating a branding around you, and it's allowing the algorithm to push your content. So it's very important that you niche, because if you don't, you're going to confuse the algorithm. So for example, if you post a video of you on a farm, the next video is you as a cosplayer, the next video is an office girl, the next video is a latex girl, you're confusing the algorithm. It doesn't know what audience to push it to. But if you have a congruent brand with your niche, so for example, if you're a farmer niche and you're posting consistent farming content, it knows the right audience to push it to. And this is only going to help you go viral. So niching down is super, super important. The next important thing you need to keep in mind is understanding what content is good and what content's bad. So we can break this down into 3 simple points. With a short form video, it's your beginning, middle and end. Now put yourself in a viewer's state of mind. We're just on TikTok scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, see what captures our eyes. So with the beginning, you need it so interesting, it makes someone stop. It stops their scroll to watch the video. This can be done in many ways. It could be how you look, the edit you do, the motion. You might just be waving your hands. It could be even a caption or you talking. These are a few ways that you stop the scroll. Now, after stopping the scroll, we're going into the middle phase. And this is about retaining the viewer to watch till the end. So something needs to be happening in the video. Of course, this is going to depend on what type of video you're trying to put out there. But something needs to happen to keep them watching until the end. Now, with the ending, there needs to be a little bit of a reward, a little bit of a dopamine hit, which makes the viewer feel good for watching it. This could be with humor, a little sexuality, just something that makes them feel like, yeah, this was a good watch. And that even might help them rewatch it. Now, why is this so important that a viewer watches the whole thing and potentially even rewatches it? The number one indicator for creating viral content is view time. This is the biggest metric that algorithms use to push content further and further, because it's showing that viewers have liked this video and been on the platform for longer for this exact reason. So Instagram and TikTok are like, yep, this is good content because loads of people watching it, but they're watching the whole thing. They're keeping us on the platform for longer. That's why it's so important to focus on the beginning, middle, and end. Now that leads us simple to the next point. Analyze the content you create. If the content did well, you can look at it and understand what did well, whether that was the beginning, middle, or end. Was it something you're wearing? Was it something you edited? Was it something you even said? Why did this video do well? Because if it did well once, it's probably going to do well again. Same with the videos done bad. You need to analyze what did bad in it, why. Because if it's done bad and you recopy it, it's only going to do bad again. It's simple as that. Now, a simple step a lot of people miss out is staying consistent. Of course, this is going to help you because you can film 30 videos that are bad, then your 31st video might be an absolute banger because you've been looking and analysing at your last pieces of content, so your next one's only getting better and better. What I recommend is post 1 reel a day and 1 or 2 TikToks a day and keep building up from there. Consistency is very important in any business you're in, and this is a key thing to go viral. Instagram needs to see you're improving your content and they need to see you're actively pushing it. If you're stuck with ideas, it's simple. Go to your explore page, look what others are doing, see what's trending, if there's trending sounds, if there's a trending type of video, if there's a trending challenge. And this is going to give you inspiration and other creators that you might even copy or just get a few ideas too as well. And that's only going to help you create even better and more viral content too. Now, since you're an Onlyfans creator, I recommend add a little sexuality in your content. Good content with a little sexuality can go mega viral. Now, what does this do? If you just had good content, you might get loads of views, but adding a little touch of sexuality, the viewers are going to click your page to follow and see, oh, she's got an OnlyFans link, let me look, and then purchase. So it's better than just having 1 million views that no one's going to purchase with. Add a little sexuality so they come on your page and subscribe, because 1 million views can genuinely make you 10,000 subscribers, and that could be the difference between making 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 a month to what you're making now. And then after a certain amount of time, you're going to be repurposing this content as well. So any that did go viral, repurpose it, whether that's on your main page or maybe even have other pages. If you think there was a piece of content that didn't go viral for a certain reason, like a shadow ban, repurpose this too. So these are all the ways that are going to add for you to create viral content. Now, if you need further help with this, you can message me on Instagram or Telegram at ArdenBliss1, or just join the Telegram group. I give free resources on how to create viral content so you can make more money.